Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that some iPhone users experience, the infamous yellow screen of death. This problem occurs when your screen suddenly bricks and turns yellow, often accompanied by horizontal lines. It's important to note that this isn't a user-related issue, rather, it's a hardware problem caused by Apple. In this video, we'll guide you through some troubleshooting steps to help fix the yellow screen of death and get your iPhone display back to normal. So let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is a forced restart. Here's how to do it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by volume down button, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. This simple trick can sometimes resolve display issues. If a forced restart doesn't work, the unfortunate reality is that you may need to replace the screen, which can cost around $500. But before you panic, there's a silver lining. If your device is still under warranty, you might not have to pay anything for the repair. Reach out to Apple support and they can guide you through the process of getting your screen replaced at no cost. That wraps up our guide on how to fix the yellow screen of death on your iPhone. We hope these troubleshooting steps have helped you resolve the issue and restore your display's normal colors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.